जय मूल निवासी सभी साथियों को धन्यवाद काले सर जिन्होंने मुझे इस लेटर को पढ़ने के लिए मौका दिया यहाँ पर। और ये संदीप चौहान जी, इनसे पहले मैं मिल चुका हूँ और उन्हीं का ही लेटर मैं आपके सामने पढ़ना चाहता हूँ। वो कहना चाहते हैं, फर्स्टली सिंसियर जय भीम, जय मूल निवासी, सल्यूट टू वन and all who have taken out their precious time and treasure to attend this 2025 National Convention of Unity of Mool Nivasi. Thank you to the Honorable Kumar Kaleji and all the organizers and all the volunteers. In Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar Writing and Speeches, Volume 7, Part 2 and page number 78, Baba Saheb Ambedkar writes, I do not share defeatist mentality. Defeatist मतलब हारने वाली मेंटालिटी नहीं है उनकी. आई डू नॉट शेयर डिफेट मेंटालिटी. व्हेन द शेड्यूल कास्ट फेडरेशन लॉस्ट द लास्ट जनरल इलेक्शन, consequent upon its defeat, some have deserted it, some has lost faith in it. But Baba Saheb Ambedkar looked around and said, I do not share the defeatist mentality. To win seats in election is not the ideal of the federation. To win seat for the federation is only a mean to an end, and that end is to serve the people for whom it is established. I understand Unity of Mool Nivasi also do not share the defeatist mentality. If there is one thing that we learn from our founding mothers and fathers, that is to spread hope and positivity. Spread knowledge and courage. We have come a long way because of the sacrifices of our founding mother and founding fathers. Brahminical forces may try to divide us, discourage us, and fool us, to rule us, but as long as our mission continues and we working as a missionary, I am sure we will see the Vyavastha Parivartan we all aspire for soon. We know विचार परिवर्तन के बिना व्यवस्था परिवर्तन संभव नहीं है. विचार परिवर्तन के बिना व्यवस्था परिवर्तन संभव नहीं है, क्योंकि व्यवस्था समाज के लोगों के सामूहिक विचार हैं, मान्यताओं को, सोच का परिणाम होती है. We also know RSS control both BJP, Congress politically. All agencies including judiciary, ECI, ED, media seem to under complete Brahminical influence. If this is the fact, then why? If this is the fact, then why are Brahminical forces still sleepless and working hard? Brahminical forces are still sleepless because they know they may have complete control of nation's premier agencies, including political power center, but they are not able to change or control the vichar of our people, mainly the vichar of follower of Mahatma Phule, Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj, Birsa Munda, Kranti Jyoti Savitribai, Ammi Fatima Sheikh and Baba Saheb Ambedkar. They know the truth is not on their side. They know the truth is not on their side. They know they are sitting on the bunch of lies in spite of spending 1,000 crores. They know the bubble of lies may burst anytime. Thank you all who are spreading awareness amongst the masses in day out to help masses break free from bubble of lies. Brahminical forces are dividing us, but we are learning to work with our like-minded brethren by keeping aside any difference we may have. I am sure very soon we will learn to use every tool of our oppressor, like dividing on the basis of religion, caste, creed, caste, religion, fake news, honor killing, misuse of nation premium institutions and power centers, to our advantage by strengthening strong alliance, spreading truth way faster than lies, sacrificing everything to spread awareness, leading to Vichar Parivartan of masses. In volume 17, part 3, Baba Saheb mentioned the quarrel between Buddhism and Brahmanism was on this one issue, and that was, what is truth? What can be accepted as truth? The fight with Brahmanism is an historic one. We need to expose the truth to our people. And lastly, We need to keep spreading awareness amongst our masses to bring change in their mindset so that our people focus remain on real issues that matter to our lives, while the Brahminical forces keep repeating their dirty old game of distract, divide and rule and fool. We need to keep reminding our people that when we fight over religion or caste, Brahminical forces divert our attention away from what actually matter to us, like poverty, illiteracy, pathetic, pathetic school conditions, public school condition, infrastructure, like unemployment, corruption, healthcare commercialization, privatization, student suicides, delayed and denied justice to our people, misuse of nation precious power center, media institution, ED, and crippling economy. Let us not give Brahminical forces a chance to amplify hate and fear to keep us divided. Let's keep the lamp of spreading awareness of foolish how Ambedkarite movement always burning together. Together we can do it. Thank you. Jai Mulyavasi, Jai Bhim, Jai Bharat.